wild and she deep throat. I need a baby who get nasty but classy in front of all these people. She got that big ego. I need to be able to lick on that pussy ball like an eagle. She gotta eat Creole. Got a smile but she mean though. I need a bad little freak. I need a bad little freak.
Boy, OGTV, Re-enacted. What do you do, guys? It's your boy Pre, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna tell y'all a little story. You feel me? I asked y'all on Instagram which stories time y'all want me to do, and most of y'all picked this one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Story time about the time I got caught. If you go watch my Truth or Dare with Chin, there's a little clip in there where I explained a little bit about this story time. So if you go watch that, I'm gonna put the card right here or wherever side it goes. So by the time 5 minutes pass on, she ready. I'm gonna go some boom to go put it in. Same time my father open the door. Oh hell no! It's also gonna be in the link down below. China's FaceTime you.
I cannot.
You wanna say hi to my story time? This is China. China just interrupted my story time.
Sorry, y'all. Hey! Ooh, I look stupid ratchet though. Yeah.
That was China. Love. She's in my Smash or Pass video. You go check that out. That girl, China. China love. You know, that's my dog. So, you know China, right?
Yeah, I know China.
You only got it.
Yeah, that way.
You go first on this one. Yeah, so the time I got caught by her dad, I'm not gonna say her name because y'all people messy. Oh, another thing, I'm doing my story times a little different. All right, a little different. I haven't seen anyone do story times like this yet. You feel me? So I think I'm the first person to do a story time like this. What you're about to see is gonna have y'all thinking. Y'all feel me? It's gonna have y'all thinking. But I don't want y'all thinking that way. You feel me? So don't think that way. Alright, it's just a video. It's just a video. Okay, I'm gonna say it one more time.
Just a video.
Alright, let's get into the story time. You know, I was talking to this girl and you know, she invited me to her house. You know, we go over there, you know, we chill, we talk, cuddle, you feel me? We have sex. You feel me? First round, got first round in, feel me? Now, after the first round, you know how it goes. You know, you lay on the bed, you chill. I don't know if Netflix and chill's out. I know the TV was on, so it was watching TV, you feel me? But I wouldn't say it was Netflix and chilling. Yeah, so it was watching TV, and then, you know, I'm ready for round 2. And she's like, she's not ready for round 2 yet. You feel me? So she's like, wait 5 minutes. So I'm like, 5 minutes? What you mean not ready for round 2? So I'm like, alright, cool. I'll wait 5 minutes. You feel me? 5 minutes to go by. I'm ready, she ready. So, you know, I turn over to put it back in. You feel me? And as soon as I'm about to put it back in, my G, I see the doorknob. I hear the doorknob starting to turn, and you feel me? Like someone trying to come in the room because we had locked the door, obviously. If you don't lock the door, you're stupid. But like now, I'm looking at the doorknob like, why the fuck this shit moving and wobbling? You feel me? She looking at the doorknob like, why the fuck this shit moving and wobbling? And then 2 seconds later, that's her dad walking the door. So I'm like, oh shit, that's her dad. This is the bed right here. In between my hands is the bed, all right? I'm on the right side of the bed, and he's on the left side of the bed. And she's still on the bed, but she's on the left side of the bed. Right? You get what I'm saying? When he walks in on the left side and walks straight to her. But when I see him walk in, I'm on the right side of the bed and I'm sitting like this. Cause you know, we had got up cause the door opened. And I'm sitting like this and my pants is at my ankles. You feel me? So basically, I roll off. You feel me? And when I roll off, pull up my pants and everything. You feel me? Once I pull up my pants and everything, I'm already dressed. You feel me? Cause I already got my shirt on. You feel me? So I'm already dressed and she completely naked. She naked, like butt naked, like, you feel me, like no clothes. So like when her dad opened the door, she used the covers and she, you feel me, cover herself. So she's like this with the covers, you feel me? And then her dad walks in, start cussing, oh, you fucking niggas in my house, in my bed, in my room, bringing niggas this and that, ray, ta, you see me? Then the dog goes to boom my jail part up, you see me? And shot her too. Ears as, you see me? And hey, bruh, I wanted to laugh so bad. But I couldn't laugh. Right? So after he slapped her up twice, you feel me? I'm like, damn, this nigga about to come slap me up, you feel me? So now I'm on the right side of the bed, he's still on the left side, you feel me? And the door is on the left side. So I'm like, damn, how the fuck I'm gonna get out of this house? How I'm gonna get out of this room? Like, you feel me? This nigga's right there by the door, I have to go that way. So I'm like, fuck it. I'm gonna just go that way, walk past this nigga like, you feel me? Ain't nothing happened. By the time I'm stepping towards the door, he come drape me up, and I'm like, yo, this nigga about to slap me up twice too, you feel me? He about to slap me up. Cause I mean, he got the right, you feel me? Cause I'm in his house, that's one, you feel me? I'm in his room, that's two. So he got the right. So he grabbed me, he's like, yo, how long you been coming here? You feel me? Cause I know she been bringing niggas here and shit, and like, I don't know why, but the first thing came to mind was 3 days. So I'm over here like this, I'm like, 3 days, sir, 3 days. He's like, alright, get the things in my and come out of my house and don't come back. Is it me? And don't come back. So I'm like, alright, bossy, not say a word, my gun, isn't it? So now she had an iPod and I had the 5C, the iPhone 5C. So like, they were the same color, you feel me? So now I didn't even like really look. I just seen like an iPhone on the dresser. So I just grabbed that bitch up. You feel me? Went through the door, went downstairs, went in my car.
You stupid.
They're not.
While I'm upstairs now, he's at her room door, taking off her hinges off her room door. So now for the next what, like 2 weeks after that, she ain't have no door for her room. Now while he's over there taking off the hinges of the door, I'm outside like, I need my phone, and she's inside running around trying to look for the phone, you feel me? And then we come to realize that he had my phone, thinking it's her iPod, which I had the iPod, you feel me? So now I have to wait till he's done with the door to get back my phone so I can go home. So I was waiting for like a good 10 minutes, maybe, you feel me? 5-10 minutes, sitting there waiting, just listen to him cuss. You feel me? And then he got up, came outside and gave me a lecture. You feel me? Asking me, what may I do? What am I doing? How long I've been coming here? He told me not to come back. He told me about his daughter. He told me he been knew this and that she been bringing niggas over to the house. One bag of thing. You see me? And the man boss say, yo, don't come back. I say, bossy, nah, come back. You see me? I don't want no problem, I don't want no trouble, I don't want nothing. But yeah, that's basically it. I get back my phone, I go in my car and I drive off. But the weird part is, he was going back to work. So like, we both left at the same time, we both were driving out. So it's kind of weird. Moral of the story is, see when you fuck, y'all, always have an escape route. You see me? Cause if the father didn't want, to shoot me, he could have shoot me cause me wrong, me in my house. If he didn't want to box me, he could have boxed me, even though me that thump it out. So busy for your daughter, brother, your daughter say, yo, me can fall in my house and fall in my room and knock it on the bed. Alright. That's basically it, you know, story time. Brought to you by YPre. Stay tuned. We have more forward. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel.